Okay, people watching? Camera's on? Yeah. Okay, people watching? Guys, we're gonna make our own Olympics again. So, yeah, I've called all my friends and my relatives, like my brother Joby and my cousin Clinton, little 1-year-old cousin Clementine, and we are gonna make our own Olympic events. So let's get to it. For the first event, it's called equestrian. Equestrian, yes, I knew that. Christopher, with equestrian. And I knew totally how to say that. Let's say, go! Oh, let's see that. It's a replay. Slow motion, instant replay. You lost, Christopher. Yeah, you think? And now Jaden with equestrian. I totally knew how to say that from the start. Okay. Okay, so let me get this straight. I just ride a horse and jump over hurdles. Yeah. Where are the hurdles? There are none. Why? Because you're a kid. So basically I just sort of run in a straight line. You win the gold medal! You've got to be kidding me.
That was easy.
And now running, I guess. What it's called. Noah! Jaden, the gold medal. Oh. I'm not the only one who forgets the name. Equestrian. Yes, I knew that from the start. Jaden! And, Ted. Right? Yeah. Ted. And Trenton. Wait a minute. Ted? The guy. Who would ride the sour? Fine, we'll keep him in. Jaden? Trenton? Wait a second. Where's Gage? Well, he had a doctor's appointment, and now he's on a vacation for, like, the rest of the summer. Well, that's just great. And probably a little bit of school. That's gonna be hard, just living without Gage. I'm with you, too. 3. It's gonna be easy, though. 3, 2, 1, yeah! What? That means go. Aren't you gonna go? No. Well, I guess we won. And the winner once again is Jaden! Why do you win everything? Now it's brother versus cousin on swimming, 100-meter freestyle. Duh, it's called. And now Joby, Noah's brother. Noah's the one who thought of the idea of this on Olympics, and his brother is really, really good at swimming. Used to be, yeah. That's pretty much it. I guess you could call him the champion that we're foreseen on screen until now. And Noah's little 1-year-old cousin Clementine. She's almost 2 though. And she is learning how to swim. Alright, so you put your arm and feet in the water and... Wow. She is learning faster than me. She learned faster than I did. She learned faster than me. Wow. Ready, set, go! What? What did she say? Go! I'm not a Pokemon. Fine. Oh, wait! Look at that! Joey wins and he jumps to the finish! Good guy, you lost! I'm 1 year old. What do you expect? That's all we have for Noah's Olympics. Wait a minute. That's it? That was it? A couple of events and that's it? Basically, yeah. Next Saturday, you get to, the secret behind LEGO Adventures is some guy just records us with the camera. And, yeah, we just allow him to post it. It comes with, like, he follows us everywhere. It's kind of annoying. So, yeah, and he followed us to do this. I don't even know his name. So, yeah. You get to see what actual things we get to do in our suit. But we're not acting. That's actually what we're doing right now. See, you get to see something we do every Saturday. I don't know why, but okay. Bye, guys. Hopefully, a better episode will come next time. Okay. Hopefully, nobody will fall off a horse.